Hey everyone, want to connect your Google Drive files with Cloud AI? In this video, I'll show you how to link Google Drive to Cloud AI step by step. Yeah, this makes it easier to access your documents, files, and stored content while working with AI tools. First, open your web browser and visit the Cloud AI website. Sign in to your account and go to the Settings, Integrations, or Connected Apps section. Make sure you're logged into the correct Cloud AI account before connecting any services. Once you're inside the Settings menu, look for an option called Integrations, Connected Apps, Storage, or File Connections. This section is where you can connect external services like Google Drive. Next, find Google Drive from the list of available services and select the Connect option. A Google sign-in window may appear asking you to choose your Google account and allow Cloud AI to access your Drive files. After selecting your account, review the permissions carefully and click Allow or Continue to complete the connection. You know, these permissions help Cloud AI access the files you choose to use with the service. Once the connection is successful, return to Cloud AI and check that Google Drive appears as a connected service. You should now be able to access or import supported files from your drive. To use a Google Drive file, open the File Upload or Attachment option inside Cloud AI and select Google Drive as the source. Choose the file you want to work with and wait for it to load. If the connection does not work, check your internet connection, account permissions, and whether you are signed into the correct Google account. I mean, these quick checks can fix most connection issues, so that's how you connect Google Drive to Cloud AI. Linking your storage makes it easier to manage files and use AI tools with your existing documents. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more easy technology guides.